Today, we have some exciting news about the much-anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. There have been numerous speculations about this device over the past few months, and we've got the latest updates to share with you. So let's dive right in and find out what's in store for us with this new foldable phone. First things first, let's talk about the availability. It has been reported that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will only be launched in two countries, China and South Korea. Yes, you heard it right. This highly awaited device will have a limited release, making it even more exclusive and desirable. Mark your calendars, folks. According to a new report from Allround PC, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, codenamed Q6A, is set to launch in October 2024. This timing is significant as it coincides with other major announcements from Samsung. The device will be called the W25 in China, but the name for the South Korean market is still under wraps. Now let's get into the juicy details about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra's features and specifications. Although there's no official confirmation yet, here are some of the exciting rumors. Thinner design and bigger screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra is expected to be slimmer and sport a larger display compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This would enhance the user experience, making it more comfortable to hold in use. Titanium frame. One of the standout features could be the titanium frame, providing a robust yet lightweight build. This would be a significant upgrade in terms of durability and aesthetics. No S Pen support. Unfortunately, it seems the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra won't come with S Pen support. While this might be a letdown for some, the device is still packed with plenty of other exciting features. Bigger battery and better cameras. Reports suggest that the foldable phone will have a larger battery, ensuring longer usage without frequent charging. Additionally, improved camera technology is anticipated, although specific details are still under wraps. How does the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra compare to the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6? Here's a quick rundown. Design and display. While both devices are expected to have top-notch displays, the Ultra variant will likely have a bigger screen and a thinner profile. Build quality. The titanium frame of the Ultra sets it apart, offering enhanced durability and a premium feel. Battery and cameras. The Ultra is rumored to feature a bigger battery and better cameras, providing a superior overall performance. October 2024 is shaping up to be an exciting month for Samsung enthusiasts. Alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, the Galaxy Tab S10 and Samsung's first XR headset might also make their debut. This simultaneous launch could be a major event or announcement from Samsung, showcasing multiple innovative devices. That's all the latest information we have on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. With its limited release in China and South Korea, it's bound to be a highly coveted device. The rumored features, from the titanium frame to the enhanced battery and camera, make it an exciting addition to Samsung's foldable lineup. What do you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra's exclusive launch and rumored features? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and share it with your friends who might be interested in the latest Samsung news. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.